1 second, guys. Sorry, a little late here, and it is very hot. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's go, guys. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, let's jump right into it. Live rainbow bearing. Pretty slow day, but I do see something here. Post-market. GBNH. GBNH. Alright, going for 49 cents here. I may have missed it. That sucks. 49 cents. Okay. So order in 49 cents. It's currently at 44 cents, so maybe it'll get there, but there are no shares. But hopefully that does fill. So yeah, there's that G, B, and H. And anything else? That appears to be it for now. GB and H. It's now up to 50%, so it just hit 49, so. Alright, hopefully I get a fill here, but no shares. But hopefully, I wanted to stay up now until I get a fill. But yeah, other than that, nothing really going on here. There's EVLO. And GFAI. But all of those, no shares. Anyway, so we'll come back to this, but yeah, GBNH, that is mooning, actually. That's up to 53 now, so that's up 65%. A lot of price action there. Alright, so let's get back to the intro. But yeah, keep an eye on GBNH. That is mooning quite a bit right now. Up 62%. Alright. And I think I should put an order in for PSQH. I'll put that in after the show. But yeah, that was another one that ran today. PSQH. I think you asked about Akoya. PSQH. No, I didn't go for it today because it's a SPAC. Or it merged with a SPAC, I think. But it's the first day of trading, so kind of sketchy to me, but maybe I will go for it now that it's at 100%. Anyway, alright, so let's get back to the intro. So in post-market right now, just keep an eye out for GBNH, only stock mooning at the moment. Alright, let's get back to the intro here. Oh, I didn't get my water, damn. Well, hopefully, and it's hot too. Well, hopefully, you know, make it through here. Alright, so today is, what up everyone? What up Koya? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Alright, so, today is Thursday, July 20th, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Stock Exchange. New York Stock Exchange. Neutral day, actually slightly bearish. The NASDAQ got wrecked, as you see in the title. Tech down a lot. Dow Jones in the green and SPY in the red. But overall, yeah, it looks like a slightly bearish day. Slightly bearish to bearish day. Yep. Okay. And the VIX is up. Alright, so, honestly, guys, really not much planned at all today. Koya says congrats on the Carvana attendees. Yeah, thank you, dude. I don't know what I should cover, to be honest. I'm up 800 here. And I know it's going to keep going down. But I don't know if I just take the money here or get greedy or what. Because I know it's going to keep pulling back. Maybe I'll let it run another day through tomorrow and then I'll cover it. But I'm already up $800 here on that. So I don't really need to hold it any longer. Maybe, well, we're gonna chart it anyway. And maybe I'll just, yeah, I'll see what I'm going to do there once we chart it. I didn't even look at the chart yet. Can you do Carvana TA? Well, we're going to anyway because it was popular today on StockTwits. And yes, I probably should do that for myself anyway to see where I should cover. But there's a lot more downside to go. What up, Joe? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Cover half? That I can do that. But I'm gonna be a little greedy here. I don't really like to cover. I don't really like to exit halfway. It's either like exit everything or stay in. That's I'm not saying you should do that, but that's how I do things, generally speaking. They're doing a dilution in 3 days. I thought they already did it, or they voted on it and they got approved, and they're actually doing it in 3 days. Is that what you're saying? If that's the case, I may have to hold it for 3 more days. Yeah, I don't even know these things. I just look at charts. I don't keep up with the news and the fundamentals and stuff like that. But thank you for that. I know they were doing dilution. I thought they already did it though for $1 billion. So I guess they voted on it and they approved it, and they're actually commencing the dilution in 3 days. For the first 3 days after earnings, they are doing a share offering for $350 million. So they're doing it right now. Then they complete the rest for $1 billion. I gotta read this. So it's more than $1 billion. Comes a siren. My bad, guys. Can't talk over it. Yeah, I don't even see... The news is too far down here on TD, so I gotta do my DD later. But yeah, if that is the case, if they did not dilute yet, or they're still in the process of diluting, then maybe I should hold for a couple more days. And Ape's gonna keep buying for 750, which rounds up the total to $1 billion. All right, got you. Oh, I got you. So 350 million a day, 3 days, $1 billion. Got you. So today was the first day of dilution, I guess, and that's why it went down so much. So, all right, maybe I'll cover it tomorrow. Just Friday. Yeah, I think I'll hold it for one more day then. At least one more day, if not, then Monday. But probably cover tomorrow then. Thank you for that. And yeah, so pretty fat tendies there so far. Almost $800 and still holding. Gonna hold through at least tomorrow. Maybe Monday, but a lot more downside to go. Not financial advice. All right, and that was my big play today. All right, cool. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. All right. Cool. So yeah, not too much planned for today, guys. Really not much going on. Trading-wise, news-wise. Let's see here. All right, so as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Live Rainbow Bearing. And for once, I don't have 20 plays. It was pretty simple today. No new plays. Watch list. Today for the news, we have two articles. One about Tesla, one about Netflix. Both about earnings. So nothing too crazy there, but yeah, an update on those two stocks. Today for the TA, as you see in the title, we're going to do Carvana and Tesla. Big action on those to the downside, so we'll cover those. And I guess even PSQH. Wow, CLBR went up again, dude? Bro, I covered CLBR. That thing mooned today? You gotta be kidding me. Alright, I escaped that one. So yeah, Tesla CVNA, Tesla Carvana. And we'll probably do PSQH. There's probably not too much TA there. It's literally one bar, but we'll look at that. And then CLBR. We should probably look at that right now, actually, because I did not see that moon today, and I did cover that this morning, or like yesterday, so glad I did. Anyway, so 4 TAs, and then we'll finish up with our YOLO. Actually, there's only one YOLO today. There were, the YOLO sucked. There were a few, but I pulled out the best one. So, that shouldn't take too long, only one of those. So yeah, now we've planned it all today. Shouldn't really go that long today. Probably no more than 1 hour, so we should be out of here by 5 o'clock. Oh, I got you. PSQH is CLBR. See, again, I don't read the stuff. I just look at charts. But that'd be pretty useful, huh? All right, cool. So can you still trade CLBR or what? This is very confusing. So there is no CLBR anymore. It's now PSQH. Oh, okay, I get it. Yeah, so StockTwits just had it a little mixed up there. So there is no more CLBR. It's just PSQH. So we're gonna do Carvana, Tesla, and PSQH. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. So my plays: Rainbow Bearing, watch list, 2 articles, TA, and 1 YOLO. So really not too much to do today, guys. Should be pretty short and show. Should be no more than 1 hour. All right. But maybe there will be some, live trading, a lot of chatting. We'll see. But if not, oh well. All right, let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, why is it like fuzzy here? I guess my shirt is like a little green. It's not really, doesn't look too good on the green screen. Oh well. What up, Mark? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Alright, GBNH pulled back very significantly. It's down to, 42 now. So, yeah, I think that's done already. Alright, whatever. Let's go. Alright, we got some action here. APVO. Alright, no shares available. $106. Alright, so APVO. Actually. No, that's not right. My bad. 140. 149 I'm going for. My bad. 149. I almost effed up there. Wrong number. 149. Order in 149. So it says there's shares available, but it's low inventory. Anyway, yeah, APVO is mooning right now. Don't know why, but it is. Currently at 130, 134, and I'm trying to short at 149. All right. Yeah, so that's the only things moving right now. APVO and the other one. Oh, we got something else here. MRIN, that is an ape favorite. Oh, that can't be good. MRIN is also mooning. Actually, a few things here. MRIN, that's moving quick. All right, let's get on that. They have Pinterest integration. They have news. Pinterest integration. All right. Well, let's put an order in for that. $96. Going for 96 on MRIN. May already be over. It's already pulling back. Anyway, order in 96 MRIN. All right, final scan. Spending a lot of time here, which is cool. You still shorting PRFX is pumped today on no news. No, I covered that. Don't know when, but I'm not still in that. No. I might have covered yesterday. Let me see here. Yeah, it did move 30%. I tried to reshort actually at $11. Didn't quite get there. But no, I did cover that, and thank God. And I'm trying to reshort if it keeps going up. I'm trying to reshort at 11. All right, so yeah, APVO, GBNH, MRIN. So yeah, a few things to look out for here post market, but nothing to really go for just yet. Although again, EVLO is pretty good short in my opinion. So is GFAI and PSQH. I'm actually gonna put in an order for that. All right, so there actually was a decent amount of action today. Our MRAN's coming back up again. Where did I want to short that? 96? Okay. Looks like it's bull flagging. It's up to 83 now. MRIN. Can you also do Upstart, another poop stock? Sure, we will do Upstart. Is that finally coming down yet or what? All right. So we'll come back to this. MRN is up to 81 here. Keep an eye on that. APVO. And GBNH. Matter of fact, let's real quick do a regular scan. What is XXI? I didn't see this. No TV. Oh, 22nd Century Group. No, that's also heavily shorted. Did I miss this? Might have missed out on this one today. Yeah, we'll fix it later. Alright, cool. So, let's get on with the show here. So, bunch of action, but nothing really worth going for just yet. But again, APVO, GBNH, MRIN, and yeah, we'll come back to this. Alright, cool. Let's get to my plays today. CNTG. Alright, and AHI. Alright, 11 plays today, still holding 10. So, alright. So, I didn't make any new plays except for AHI, which halted midday, and I covered for a small profit. But anyway. Alright, so MLTX up 190, BDTX up 305, BXRX up 345, SGTX up 22, NERV up 7, PTPI up 125, CVNA, Carvana, up 120, EDTX still halted. I'm waiting for that to unhalt. I'm gonna rake in tendies there. And then CNTG up, yeah, it's break even there. Trying to cover that. And yeah, AHI in at 425 after 420, so made a little money there, not much. Anyway, so all in all, I am up. Let me see here. I am up $1,600 today. $1,650. I mean, certainly not bad at all. Actually, I was completely in the green today, no red. So not many plays, but a lot of bag holding, bag dumping, and small tendies on new plays, on the one new play. But yeah, today was just really holding a bunch of bags and Carvana. So up 1,650 today. Yep, smashing new all-time highs again. So yeah, excellent week for me so far, and yep, one more day to go. But I've been printing here lately, printing. So another 1,600. Let's go. MRIN bull flag. Yeah, it's at 84 right now. It is starting to, yep, if it breaks this, it's probably going to, it's kind of getting rejected now, but all right. So it kind of was a bull flag. It looks more like a triple top, actually. We should probably pull that up. Anyway, I'm up $1,600 today and counting. So let's go. Excellent week for me. All right, MRN. Yeah, this one, it is a bull flag. It is a bull flag, actually. I was looking at IBKR. It was a little different, but yeah, this is bull flagging. So it just needs a little bit more to break out of this hump here. And I'm rooting for it because I do want to short this down at 90 or whatever it was, 90 something. Okay. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. All right, let's run down the watch list. So yeah, still holding 10 plays, $1,600 today. Let's go. Pretty uneventful day. Just clearing up a lot of bags, which I don't mind because I was holding a lot there. All right. What's next? Watch list. Cool. I guess we'll start on the green side. Oh, let's do this. All right. So the Dow Jones up 0.47%. NASDAQ down 2.28%. And SPY down 0.66%. So not that bad, but yeah, NASDAQ taking a pretty big hit here today. So tech not doing so good. Let's check it out. Start on the green side here. J&J 6%, big day there. And Boeing pretty good as well, 2.4%. And Schwab just keeps on popping. Schwab has been doing really well lately. Mullen is actually in the green, back up to 15. IBM, IBKR 2%. So not much going on the green side, actually, but a lot of value. I don't see too much growth. Walmart, T-Mobile, Exxon, Pepsi, Target. So not much in the green, but pretty much all value in the green there. And red side, I'm assuming a lot of growth in the red. Wow, Discover got wrecked. 16%. What happened there? Yeah, Wish, go. Tesla 10%. We will analyze that coming up shortly. Netflix gets wrecked. Damn, 8%, 8.4%. Coinbase 8%. Yeah, this ain't too pretty here. Mostly growth though. Some value, but mostly growth. Nvidia down 3.3%. Intel 3.2%. Yeah, Google 2.3, Microsoft 2.3, Nike 2.2. So yeah, there's actually a good mix of growth and value in the red here. This is a little bit deceiving. I guess the big value red is tech, but yeah, a lot more bearish than I originally thought. So I would say today was bearish overall. So yeah, pretty hard to make money here unless you were a rainbow bear pretty much today. So hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Hope you guys were attendees, and if not, hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. And shout out to the Rainbow Bears. Let's get this money. Oh yeah, the VIX is up 1.67%, up 0.23 points. So we're at 14 VIX now, 13.99 VIX now. All right, MRAN is getting rejected here. Let's do another scan and get onto crypto and the news. All right, nothing else going on. So yeah, crypto and news. One second. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. All right, let's give this a minute to finish loading, and we'll get started here. All right, let's do it. So crypto, here's crypto. That's down 0.95% today. Cool. So yeah, another pullback, another small pullback for crypto. So pretty big run and slowly bleeding, and where 30K Bitcoin is like critical resistance right here, support and resistance. But yeah, Bitcoin's down 1.1% under 30K. Ether 1.05% under 1900 now. XRP pulling back a lot, 6.4%. Cardano 2.4. Solana 5.9. Doge 0.7. So we got some green here. Tron, Polygon, Toncoin. Chainlink 16%. Okay. So let's sort this out. But yeah, this looks a little deceiving too. This is a lot more bearish than 1% would indicate. So start on the green side. I hear a siren coming down the road, so apologies, guys. Gonna talk over that. So Chainlink up 15%, 16%. Is that because they had some news? Because yesterday I shorted Chainlink. I shorted Link, Link, the stock, because Chainlink had PR, and these dumbasses bought Link the stock, not Chainlink, like not Link the crypto, and then it was like easy short. Anyway, so only coin in the double digits there. Up 16%, and then big drop off down to synthetics, 5.65%. Okay, but yeah, not many coins here in the green at all. Maybe 20%, not even. And yeah, red side. All right, red side. So 80% of the coins in the red. Nothing in the double digits, so nothing too crazy, but yeah, most of the coins in the red and a lot of value in the red, especially XRP and Solana leading the way here. And Avalanche as well, and Cardano. So yeah, 0.95% would suggest a slightly bearish day, but actually this was pretty bearish. So a little deceiving in both the stock market and crypto. You wouldn't think it's too bad, but in fact, the stock market and crypto was pretty bearish. So I'm gonna say bearish day today. So hang in there, guys. Hope it didn't hurt too bad. We got one more day to go before the end of the week. All right, let's get on to news. So kind of old news because this happened yesterday. But yeah, we got an update on Tesla and Netflix because they had earnings yesterday. So let's do that. Tesla shares down on slimming margins, Cybertruck concerns. Shares of electric automaker Tesla fell by more than 7% on Thursday. Tesla CEO Elon Musk and other execs on the earnings call warned production would slow during Q3 due to shutdowns for factory improvements. Would slow down, did I say shutdown? Investors soured on initially positive results due to imprecise commentary from CEO Elon Musk and other executives on the company's latest vehicle, Cybertruck, and a planned robo-taxi-ready car. Alright, so was this due to the earnings or what? And that is the worst day for Tesla in 3 months. Yeah, so I think this was earnings. So I don't think the earnings were actually that bad, but yes, seems like a sell the news event. So, you know, some apes learn the hard way. Buy the rumor, sell the news, and that actually happened to me on Tesla on a battery day a couple of years ago. So yeah, probably good earnings. I remember seeing them; they definitely were good earnings, but you know, I always say doesn't necessarily have to do with how the stock is going to move. Probably priced in, and yeah, stock is selling off after earnings. So gut on Tesla. Doesn't mean it's a bad company. You know, long-term bullish, of course, but, you know, traders taking their profits here. So, still long-term bullish, but, yeah. Maybe a little overbought in the short term. All right, and Netflix stock sinks as Wall Street looks for clarity on revenue growth. All right, Netflix stock sank more than 8% Thursday after a quarterly earnings report that was largely positive but left Wall Street underwhelmed. Netflix's average revenue per membership showed weakness in the most recent quarter. I think people expected a lot more revenue growth in the third quarter, said analyst. All right, whatever. All right, so, yeah, I don't think Netflix did that good. Well, actually, it says the earnings weren't bad, but the revenue drivers was the concern. Anyway, so I don't think the earnings were bad, but they certainly weren't as good as Tesla. But yeah, another tech stock getting wrecked today. The market is concerned about future revenue numbers. So yeah, Tesla and Netflix definitely big impact on the market today. Red side definitely pulled the market down. All right, so yeah, pretty big pullback in tech today. All right, cool. So that's all the news. Let's do some TA, Rainbow Bearing and TA. All right, so GBNH coming back up a little bit. EVLO is running, bro. What the hell? Okay, interesting. Well, yes, that is running EVLO. So I have an order in for there, but I might raise that actually. And GBNH and yeah, MRN pulling back. So nothing new here. All right, Tesla. All right, let's do some TA here. So again, we're going to do Tesla, Carvana, and PSHG. And then we'll finish up with our YOLO. One YOLO only. So we should be out of here pretty soon. Within 10-15 minutes. Yep. All right. Yeah, MRIN pulling back quite a bit here. Yeah, EVLO is going up 91% now. I don't know what's going on there. But I will take some of that. If it goes to 14, I will short that. Like, for sure. Right now, I'm just kind of observing. But that is mooning post-market, EVLO. Moon regular market and mooning post-market here. Alright, cool, let's do some TA. Carvana looks like it's holding 47. Pretty strong here. But I'll hold that another day. Okay, so Tesla, so it gapped down today, which is, good. But, yeah, so RSI is at 50 right now, so current price of 263 is fair market value, according to the, RSI. So, pretty decent entry here. But I will say this may keep pulling back down to 235. Another gap to be filled there. And possibly even 150, but doubtful. Anyway, so, yeah, I have no problems with you guys buying in here. Very average RSI, fair market value, 263. Obviously, long term, it's bullish, but it may keep pulling back down to. So if it goes, yeah, I can support buying here and higher, or excuse me, lower. If it pulls back down to 235, another time to enter. And really shouldn't go lower than that, but yeah, opportunity to buy the dip here. Good price, 263, and may even get a better price. So yeah, I certainly wouldn't short Tesla. That seems to be a bad idea, but and now is the time to start going long and building a position or adding to your position. So yeah, I'd say either wait for 235 to go long or buy now and average down. But yeah, long term bullish, short term may keep pulling back. All right, always short Tesla, yeah, and then you learn your lesson. What up, Beelzebub? What's up? All right, Carvana. Yep, this bull flagged and it's actually up in the post market. So it bull flagged. I didn't even see it flagged. Hold up. 42.27. Yeah, I really should have covered. Where did this go? I should have covered this already. Yeah, you know what? I'll just let it run. Whatever. I'm like going off the TA here, but knowing that it's diluting, I should probably just let it run, to be honest. Or let it tank. Alright, cool. So, yeah. RSI is currently at... Alright, so first of all, this is a... Sorry, guys. This is a total trash stock. Fundamentally and technically. It's a meme. It's trash. Do not long-term buy and hold this. This is not an investment. But I can't support swing trading it. But understand, this is not an investment. Or it shouldn't be, at least. So, yeah, 63 RSI, so no longer overbought and overvalued, but, you know, quickly, it's almost there, pretty much. Gap up at 42, so it should pull back down to 42 very soon. Another gap up back at 1650, so it should pull back down to 1650 at some point, and, yeah. Possible head and shoulders forming. So all bearish indicators right now. Nothing really bullish at all. Maybe another bull flag, but excuse me. Damn, I need some water. Yeah, overwhelmingly bearish indicators here. So, not financial advice, but I think it's pretty obvious this is due for significant pullback. Full disclosure, should have said this before, but full disclosure, I am short this at $60. Looking to cover pretty soon, either tomorrow or Monday. So I'm up pretty big already, and yeah, due for some more massive pullback. So certainly don't go long here. Sell, don't go long, and pretty good entry to go short. And don't know how low it's gonna. Excuse me. Don't know how low it's gonna go. But probably 15, to be honest. A lot of downside potential. So yeah, sell, short, don't go long, and cover around. No, I'm not going to say when to cover, but a lot of downside potential. So very bearish, short term, long term. And PSHQ, right? What was it? PSQH. All right, can't really analyze this, but it is up 114% today. So maybe worth a short. It definitely is worth a short, but just be careful. This is still technically mooning, but pulling back post market, so it's probably probably gonna pull back tomorrow. Anyway, so be careful with this one, but this was CLBR, I think, whatever it was. CRBL. So I wouldn't go for this. I'm lying. Generally speaking, I wouldn't go for things like this, but this looks like a decent opportunity here. It's up 114%, so I'm gonna try to short it. But not expecting to get filled. But looks like a decent short here. Just can't really analyze it. Brand new IPO or brand new spec. Merged with CLBR. I think that's what it was. Either CLBR or CRLB. Matter of fact, I should probably update my order there. Excuse me. All right, let me just update this order and all right, so that's all the TA for today. Let's do another scan here. So EVLO running quite a bit. GBNH and so same thing. MRIN, GBNH, EVLO, and APVO, but really just EVLO is the one mooning here. And I guess GBNH, but that's not even really moving anymore. Alright, so we'll come back to this. Let's finish up with our one YOLO. So show almost over, guys. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Alright, so, oh yeah, only one YOLO today. There were a few, but they weren't that good, and I pulled out the best one. This is literally the only one worth, looking at. Alright, let's do it. By Careless Pin 2852, RTX YOLO, I got out alive and with money. War is indeed good for good business, and my cost for these calls was 43 cents, or $43. I saw a nice profit at open, and I am taking it, selling for an average of 60. Some will say no balls, I will say made 50%. Yeah, that's pretty good. 50% you should probably sell. Regular job is 60K a year, and I'm happy. Alright. So, I think he's already done. Alright, yeah, he's already done. So, let's see it. So, up 10K. So, this was a, is that really 50%? No, this is 50%. Yeah, so we cashed out. A lot of it, like 65% of it. All right, so yeah, RTX call $95 strike. FD expires tomorrow. Current price 96. I'm pretty sure I told the guy to sell too, so I'm glad he listened. So it's currently in the money with 1 day to go. Yeah, I think selling is probably the best way to go, dude. So he didn't sell everything. He sold most of it for a 50% gain. And yeah, he got got 600 calls left. And I guess you can let that ride tomorrow. So yeah, a word of advice: if you're only making 60K a year, you're probably not YOLO. 90K, right? And I'm glad it worked out for you. Glad you sold, and you're up 50%. And you should probably sell this first thing in the morning, dude. I would probably should have sold everything. But yeah, you're looking in good shape. Should work out. I'd just sell tomorrow morning. You know, enjoy your attendees and call it a day. And yeah, for the future, you should probably chill out, dude. The more you do this, eventually it's gonna go bad. This was not the greatest strike, not the greatest expiration, not the greatest timing. So yeah, glad it worked out, but chill out, dude. If you don't, it's gonna go bad eventually. And yes, just really, really bad risk management. So, not the smartest play. Glad it worked out. Glad you sold. Just make smart decisions going forward. All right, cool. So yeah, guys, that is the show for today. It is 4:57, so right on time, about 1 hour. Yep, not much content to cover today, guys. Not much news. Not much. There was decent live rainbow bearing, or possible plays, but no actual going for anything. No actual fills. But hopefully that happens post market here. Anyway, yeah, really, really slow day all around. No price action, no news. But decent amount of chatting, and rainbow bearing was fun. Just didn't really get filled on anything. But yeah, guys, pretty slow day. But hope you guys made attendees. And we're back at it tomorrow. Let's finish up the week strong. So, yeah, today and yesterday has been pretty slow. All week, I guess, but I've just been emptying bags, dumping bags, which I'm not complaining about. But really no new plays for me. All right, well, PSHQ down to 26 now, of course. All right, so keep an eye on EVLO, GBNH, APVO, MRIN, GFAI, PSQH. So a lot of action, but nothing, either no shares or, really nothing worth going for at the moment. But yeah, if anything else happens, I'll put it in Discord for you guys. And if not, catch you guys back here tomorrow on Discord during the day, and live here on the show aftermarket. All right, thanks for the show, Ty. I have to work tomorrow, but watch on my days off. See you. Thank you, Joe. Appreciate you. Peace out, dude. All right. So, Upstart. My bad. Let's do one more. Upstart for Koya. Hope he's still here. Totally forgot. So we've been doing this one for, oh, wow. All right, so it's similar to Carvana, seems like. Just definitely squeezing and starting to pull back, but ouch. So 75 RSI, very overbought, very overvalued. Big gap, big gap here at 14. So may pull back down to 14. RSI at 75. So yeah, I already said that, right? So a lot of a lot of bearish indicators here. Only bullish indicator is this possible bull flag. Maybe even the MACD. Anyway, yeah, this can't keep up forever. It's still squeezing. Surprisingly, I guess it can't keep going to the upside, but unlikely. There's only so much more higher it can go. This ain't GME. And yeah, probably due for a pretty big pullback here. Can't say how low, but definitely $14 is possible. That's where the gap is. So yeah, looking very bearish in the short term. Long term, I'm not so sure. Actually seems bullish in the long term, but bearish short term, due for some significant pullback. So I can't support shorting here, $55, and can't really say when to cover, but a lot of downside potential here. I don't think it's going to be a dump, but a slow bleed. So, yeah. Hang in there, Koya. It'll come down, just a matter of when, not if. But if you need to exit, if you need to cover, then go ahead. All right, cool. So yeah, guys, that is the show for today. So right on time. It is 5 o'clock, 5:01. We've been here for 1 hour. So short and chill show, guys. Not much happening. Yeah, like I said, not much content. A lot of possible plays today, but no actual live rainbow bearing. But yeah, slow day, slow week. Hopefully tomorrow, some action picks up and we make some fat tendies. All right, well, that's all I got for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. And yeah, once again, if anything else happens, I'll put it here in Discord. I'll put it on Discord. If not, tomorrow, we'll be back here. Live. Alright, cool. So appreciate everyone. Let's get out of here. Koya says shorted at 53. Waited for that poop to bleed. Sorry, my fantasy baseball. So 53, that's not a bad entry at all, dude. That's a very good entry, actually. Almost near the top here. So, yep, I like it, dude. I like it. You know, may keep pumping a little more to the upside, but 53 is excellent entry, in my opinion, and is due for some significant pullback. So, hang in there, man. Sweet and Salty says DWAC ripping. Like, right now? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Alright, so maybe we're not going to go just yet. Let's put in one more order before we do. Why is that ripping? Interesting. Did Trump say something? Alright, so one more order, and then we'll get out of here. 1408. The entry for this is going to be pretty high. I don't know if it's... Alright, so I'm not going to short this till 20 bucks. So I doubt it's going to get there. You know what? Why not? I'll put in the order. So I'll put in the order, but highly, highly doubt it's going to get there. Order in for 1970. Okay, so thank you for that, Sweet and Salty. Didn't even know you were here. A lot of lurkers. Don't know, who's watching. But thank you, guys. All right, let's get out of here, guys. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.